and subscribe. Today is Fix a Flat Day. Let's see if I got this aimed right. That looks pretty good. Okay. Let's get the repair kit. I recommend everybody get one of these. Oh, it's about 74 bucks. You know, I think it was Fleet Farm. Or it could have been Walmart. Maybe Walmart. I don't know. But check this out. It's got tire gauge. It's got a couple valve caps. Oh, it's even got a fuse in there. Some things to fill up with air wraps, and even got a couple of valve stem injectors. Got one of those keys to take out the injectors. It's even got a thing in there for filling up a basketball or a football, whatever. Yeah, kind of cool. Got that. And then, oh, I didn't know that. Look at that. It's got an extension. Oh my God, I did not know that. Oh my God. Huh. Shit. If I would have knew that. Shit. Oh my God. I did not know I had this. It's got an adapter. Shit. I did not know that. Then, look at this. Oh my God. It's got an extension for the air valve. Look at this. Look at that big long extension. Look at that. Oh my God, I could have used that. Instead of taking my moped, dragging it closer to my car. You gotta plug it in the cigarette lighter, you know. Live and learn. Oh my God. Look at this. I did not know that. Look at this. Also connect it right to the battery. I did not know that. And then plug it into there. I did not know that. Son of a bitch. I could have hooked it right up to my battery. My battery's dead on my. That's another thing. I gotta get a new battery. Put that on your to-do list, KISH. Gotta get a new battery for the moped. Otherwise, that would have been useless. But I should use this. Now, got this can of seafoam in here. Well, oh yeah, here's a book. We got stickers. Yeah, I got stickers. Stickers. And all there from just. Oh, look at that. That shows where nails or. It looks like a tire stand. I don't know, or a tire with nails in it. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Flat tire repair kit. Inflate and repair any tire in minutes. Pro power with LED light. Look at that. 16 pieces. Easy stay. All tools included for rim repair. Tire pressure sensor friendly. Oh, really? Yeah? I didn't know that. Tire pressure sensor friendly. Oh, I didn't know that. Attention, read all instructions carefully. Periods or during warning can result fire, injury, or personal or property damage. Boom. Boom. Oh, that's what that fuse is for. Oh, okay. I was just telling the guy at work I don't read directions. I throw that crap away. Okay. Oh boy. Gotta take out the little screw in there. See, good thing I read that and screw that in. How much slime do I put in there? The whole bottle and the whole 12-volt power. Okay. Tire repair instructions with slime slime. Using a valve core removal tool, unscrew and remove the tire valve's core. That's called a core. Valve core. Attach filler tube to the bottle tip and valve, tire valve stem, and squeeze the recommended amount of slime to tire. Okay. Place valve core with valve core removal tool. Plug compressor into a power auxiliary. Attach. Oh, you gotta shake this shit. Cross do not hold in hand while operated. Okay. 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 Recommend it, huh? Well, how much is recommended? I can't say. Oh, okay. Plug compression to attach compressor to hold the tire. The compressor on position and re-inflate. Recommend air pressure. Remove compressor from tire and drive slowly for a short distance to distribute sealant to puncture. Re-inspect tire after a short distance. Re-inflate if necessary for safety. Have tire inspected for repairs. Oh, yeah. As soon as possible after puncture occurs. What? Okay, do not overinflate, blah, 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 blee, 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 blah, 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 boo, boo, blee, blee. Okay, good thing I read that. Alright, so put this back in here. So I gotta use this here. Okay. I never did see how much record. See how much pressure. ATV. Motorcycle. 8 ounces. Well, it doesn't say moped. ATV. big as they used to be too. Almost. Long, well, more small. Huh, maybe for more, huh? More than a second, 8 ounces. Let's stick with that. 8 ounces, how many ounces is that now? 24 ounces. Well, how is somebody supposed to know? Oh, okay. There's 20 ounces, 16, 8 ounces. Right up to that first line. So, I'm not gonna put all that in there. Okay, 8 ounces from there, the stupid fuckers. 20 ounces from there. I don't understand that. You take this off here. Wait. How to install slime. Okay. Position valve core and upper half of tire.